back. Let's try exercise 2.97. Graph each inequality, write in interval notation. So first let's graph. Okay. This is a number line. Look at the numbers -2 and 1. -2 is smaller than 1, so it goes to the left. 1 is on the right. This says -2 is less than x, which in turn x is less than 1. In other words, x is between these two. Okay. Now, what happens at -2? Is -2 included? No. So it is an open point. Is 1 included? No. It is also an open point. Okay. So that's the graph. Interval notation would be, you start from the left-hand point, -2, which is not included, so it's parentheses. You go until 1, which is also not included, so it's parentheses. The way you read it as is open -2 to open 1. That's it. All right. Next. -5 less equals x less than -4. Okay. So we are going to graph the line first. Arrow, arrow. -5 is smaller of the two numbers. -4 is bigger of the two numbers. X is between these two. Notice -5 is included. Included means you fill in the point. -4 is not included, so you keep it open. X is between these two numbers. Include -5 but exclude -4. Okay. So that's that. So when it's filled in point, you have a bracket, -4. When you have open point, it's parentheses. So bracket for closed, parentheses for open. The way you read it is closed -5 to open -4. All right. Next. One less equals x less equals 4.25. All right. Okay. So this is your real number line. 1 is smaller, so it comes first. Smaller than 4.25. One less than or equal to x. X in turn is less equals 4.25. That means x is between these two numbers. 1 equal is allowed, so 1 is a filled in point. Likewise, 4.25 equal is allowed, so it's a filled in point, and x is between these two points, including the endpoints. So that gives us interval. When it's filled in point, it is bracket 1. This is also a filled in point, so bracket 4.25. You read it as closed 1 to closed 4.25. All right. Let's try some more. So these are exercises 2.98, A part. -6 less than x less than 2. All right. So that takes me, let's draw a line first, number line. Drawing arrows. -6 out here and 2 out here. -6 is excluded. It's not equal, so it's an open point. Likewise, 2 is an open point. And x is between -6 and 2. So this is the graph of your interval. Okay. And the interval open point is parenthesis -6. Open point is parenthesis 2. So you read it as open -6 to open 2. All right. Which brings us to B. Okay. The interval is -3 less equals x less than -1. All right. So number line. Somewhere here is -3. Somewhere here is -1. Okay, notice -3 is less than -1 and x is between the two. -3 is included. -1 is not included. So it's not a filled in point. X is between these two endpoints. Okay, so the interval is, included point is in bracket -3 and excluded point is -1, which is open. So you read it as close -3 to open -1. Okay. Next exercise. 2.5 less equals x less equals 6. So let's again draw number line. (2.5) is to the left of 6. X is between the two. They are both included. Included means you fill in the point. Okay. That's it. So that gives you closed 2.5 to closed 6. All right. We'll continue next exercises in our next video. Until then, bye.